What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Boost Brothers Garage. Today, the E92 M3 gets some new shoes. Stay tuned. Alright, so admittedly, these, I think they're M309 or M390 wheels, are one of my favorite wheels of all time. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. These have seen better days, and I came across a deal that I felt was too good to pass up, so I ended up kind of horse trading the BBS E88s for the Cayman. That is no longer mine, but it's still on the channel. Weird stuff. For a set of, wait a second, let me grab it. For a set of Forgeline GA1Rs. And these things are light and fucking awesome. So the wheels are 19 by 10 in the front, 19 by 11 in the rear. I don't know the offset, but I know they are custom made for the E92 M3. The guy we bought them for, Derek, actually works for Forgeline and took them off of his E92 M3. Really good dude. So, tires. We are running Bridgestone Potenza RE11s on front and back. As you can see, the back has some meat. These are 305 3019s, and the front is running a 265 3519. Now, to put that in comparison, the rear tire on this wheel right now is a 265. So we're essentially moving that rubber up front and putting a big old 305 on the back. So I'm ready to see what it looks like. I don't know about you, but that looks amazing. Let's drop this thing on the ground. Man, the fitment is perfect. There's actually more gap between the tire and the fender, so I guess that's reason we have to do coilovers, right? Or at least like Swift springs, something along those lines. Let me grab you the camera and show you a little closer on the wheels. All right, guys, getting down and dirty with these wheels. That's how much I like them. So a little bit about these. These are a true forged monoblock wheel. So from my understanding and watching a couple Forgeline videos, they take a block of billet aluminum, and that is where this starts. Forgeline was known and originated off their three-piece wheels, and they were true motorsports wheels, but they felt the need to bring a lighter version, which the monoblocks are a little bit lighter, to the market for the people that don't necessarily need the functionality of a three-piece wheel, and that's where this came in. It's got a super concave design, so it looks really, really good on the road, but it also allows a lot of brake clearance by doing that, so you can fit all major big brake kits on here. But the coolest thing is their I-beam technology, to where they actually get into all of the spokes and they machine it out to save weight. These things, 19 by 11, I think are less than 20 pounds. And even with this big 305 on it, I can handle it with one hand, absolutely no problem. If you guys can see the fitment there, it is dead on. The front tires turned out a little bit, that's the only thing. The front maybe could use like a, I don't know, a very, very small spacer, but I couldn't be much happier. And I don't know with the lighting if you can see the meat on that rear tire, but it looks really good on the back of this car. All right, guys, so that's gonna wrap this video up. Got the new shoes on, super excited about it. I think it looks amazing and 10 times better than what was on there, and I was a big fan of those, so that should say a lot. We're gonna save a little bit of weight, not too noticeable probably because of the larger tires that we went on with, but I expect it to grip a lot better. There's a lot more contact patch. It should be a lot of fun to drive. Oh yeah, by the way, I blew the diff in this thing again like 3 days ago. So all you people that told me I was dumb for selling the Cayman and keeping this, you don't need to tell me I told you so. You know, I know, it's a Beamer, it's gonna break. I thought that if you fixed a part, that same part shouldn't break, but you know, it is what it is. See ya.